Hey guys, Alex here from Hannemann Ironworks, and today I'm going to be making a standard folded Bic. Now this will sit in the anvil and the horn will be out to the side, and that way I can hammer on it to make arrowheads, I can make sockets, I can make all kinds of things with a much smaller horn, starting from a much smaller piece. Now this is going to get drawn out into a longer taper, and then it's going to get folded over and used. Now I'm going to be cheating using the tools at my disposal by welding on some inch by inch square, solid square to this to be mounted into my anvil, because that's what my anvil actually takes. It's inch by inch, at least my striking anvil is what it takes. All my hardy tools are set up for the striking anvil so I can keep my main anvil clear, and obviously I do have some tooling for my main anvil like a hot cut hardy, but all my main industrial tools are used in the striking anvil. So I'm going to be using that, and obviously a little plate, then a welded on shank so it sits right in there and sits flush with the top, and then bent over to have a perfect fit. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to draw this out with some heavy hammers. And this is, I'm not entirely sure exactly what steel it is. This was given to me by JT over at Drayson's Forge. But when I take this to a grinder, it throws off some sparks that indicate it's a higher carbon, possibly tool steel higher carbon steel. Obviously I haven't tested the grain structure or anything like that. I'm not going to be hardening this, but it's good to know it's a much stronger steel than just a 1018. So that's what I'm making and using. Fuck! Whoa! Now rotate your tongs. There you go. Solid. Flipper. We're back in the fire. I'm tired. Angle your end up so it lays flat. Other way. Yeah, there you go. Flipper. Whoa! Back her up. Flip it so this bend is coming up. 180 in. There you go. Nope. There you go. Like that. Flip flat on the anvil. Now turn it. There you go. lay it flat on the anvil like that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, readjust.
Back it up. There you go. Rotate your tongue. There you go. On your back.
I know. I'm trying to freaking watch. Stay there.
Flipper on 180. No, you have to rotate your tongs. Rotate your tongs.
Oh, I was like, what?
I'll have to cut out some of those cuss words. Pull it back. Alright. That's enough of that.
Oh, I know what he's doing.
What?
He would respond instantly if he knew. He's gonna walk out to his garage right now and look.
I take it. Yeah, just keep her whack. Smooth. Go. Hold up. I get this big boy out. It's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
This is sketchy.
Couldn't agree more.
It's a tentacle.
It's on the hub we put it. the amount of editing is going to happen.
You want me to test it out for you?
It's made so much hotter it looks on this video than it does.
Oh yeah, it looks screaming on video. Wow, baby. Have you ever heard of penis slap?
Oh god.
This is sketchy. I don't like how it's flying out at me.
I won't either.
I'm gonna come on the other side. Well, the hose ain't loyal.
The hose ain't never loyal.
As you can see here, I'll just be checking to make sure that this is actually square. After that very first tack weld, I beat the crap out of it with the hammer to re-square it up, and this is just me double checking to make sure it's square. Again, you can do it if you'd like. I would highly recommend you welding the shank on square. I absolutely ran out of wire in the MIG welder and we have no extra, so here's me switching over to stick weld. Took all of 5 minutes to get this machine up and running, get it out of the storage and get it running.
Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Obviously it was just a little bit of me doing some fabrication on this Bic Horn anvil. And it's actually come in useful once already. I had to use it a couple weeks ago, probably a month ago. And in all honesty, I haven't been out to my shop in about 3 weeks. One, it was really cold for a while, like -20s consistently. And past week,
or 2 weeks ago we lost someone, so I've been in no mood to even remotely think of blacksmithing. So I apologize for not getting a video up last week. However, I hope you can understand why I wasn't in the mood to do anything. I guess to be fair, I was out there once just to beat the crap out of some steel, and I ended up producing this kind of turd. I don't hate it, but this kind of crappy split on the ring kind of upset me a little bit, but whatever. I'd never done a ring bottle opener before, so I don't think it came out too terrible. Obviously, don't just take a chisel and expect to get a perfect circle out of it. There's definitely better ways to do it, and I was just doing it the way my pig-headed, stubborn brain did it. So it didn't come out too bad for a horse-head bottle opener, but whatever. I also just been working crazy hours, so I apologize for not doing a whole lot recently, but hey, it is what it is. So there's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, drop a like down below. Comment any thoughts on the video. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace. I'd also like to say thank you to Adam over at Speargrass Forge for the stickers. Just got these in, I don't even know, a little while ago. I had them on my desk, and really appreciate them. Thanks, mate. Cheers.